So this is the raw missing data from 3, the virus genome, or the virus gene sample. What we're going to do is apply clustering. So we're going to cluster it by the columns to get a nice shape. After we apply clustering, it will look like this. And as you can see, there are a lot more alignment, especially in the vertical axes. After that, we're going to align it in the horizontal axes by applying a recursive sort. This sort is going to go through and split each cluster and then sort the entire matrix by that cluster. And it's going to split these iteratively into really, really smaller pieces. So the broad spectrum here is these are considered one cluster, but judging by their next column values, they could be a different cluster. And we're going to split this all the way down until halfway. So about after one iteration, this is what it's going to look like. So after one iteration, it's starting to line up more and more on these axes. And then finally, after 30 iterations, it begins to look like this. Let me change the opacity. It begins to look like this. And with this is as aligned as I can get it without damaging some of the values. And from here, we can do direct data imputation with nearby information. I don't believe we can get information in this zone or this zone, but finishing this column or getting values horizontally here, it doesn't seem so challenging now that everything is aligned perfectly, or as close to perfect as this technique can go.